Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and put back on the rear outside door handle on this 2000 Lincoln Town Car, same as any 98, actually same as any 98 to 2011, I believe. Tools you'll need are a Phillips screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, a T20 Torx driver, and a 10mm socket with ratchet and extension. Okay, use a regular screwdriver, pry up on the front of this panel here, and that should come up and forward. Mine's been broken, so, and then underneath there is a little tab that you press to disconnect. Now you need a T20 Torx bit, and there are screws up underneath here. And the screws in this were T20, although your car could vary. It could have Phillips head screws in it. Okay, and this pulls out. And there are Phillips head screws in behind here. And a Phillips head screw in behind here. Okay, and then right in here, you'll see a little slot in the door panel carpet, and there should be a Phillips head screw right in there. Might be easy just to remove your lock knob. I use just a household putty knife. Put it in behind here. Go until I can't go. Okay, and pop that. Oh, out comes a frog. That's interesting. Must have been some passenger's toy. Okay. Do the same thing right here in the front. Okay. There are some more clips in the middle. Panel comes off, and there is a little harness here that you just pry up, disconnect, and then there's your panel off. You're going to want to remove this latch here, and you're going to want a tool like this, which is a little kind of a Phillips bit in a ratchet socket and driver, because these should be quite tight. You may be able to get them off with a regular screwdriver, but more than likely you're going to have to apply a little more torque. Okay, we'll speed it up here a little bit. You'll notice that I only removed two. This vehicle was missing one of those screws. Next, you'll want to remove this Phillips screw for your inside door handle. Okay, pull your door handle back and just kind of let it sit there. Inside the door, there's two 11mm bolts. Okay, you can see one there. And then what you want to do is reach in, pull this lock mechanism down and out of the way enough, and you'll see another 11mm. Let's see if I can see it here. I don't know if I can get the light on it, but there's another 11mm right back in there. Use 11mm, an extension, and a ratchet. What you have to do is you have to pull this up and then down out of the way. Just enough to get your wrench up in there. Out. Now you pull your handle out and then forward. And the whole thing comes out. And you can see it's got a little clip on it. You just kind of rotate. Now you just kind of rotate the handle and pull it off. Okay, that clip would come out. And then this handle is obviously in fine shape, so I'll put it back on. Put the rod in, rotate it, put that back up in, slide it back and in. Okay, this first bolt, there's plenty of room to get your hand up in there and thread it on. Okay, the back one, it's not quite as easy. Back one, you're going to have to put it into your socket, pull it down and out of the way. Put your bolt up in there. You really have to kind of push it down like that to get it started. Tighten it up. Make sure your socket comes out. Tighten this one up. Okay. Your lock mechanism. Push it back up into place. Screws. And we'll fast forward through tightening those up. Push it in. Slide it forward. It up. You can see here this car's already had some work done to it. So somebody's already cut the water shield down, which is fine. Okay, and just for the sake of keeping the video somewhat short, I'm going to fast forward through putting the door panel back together. If you wanted to see this in regular speed, just check out our other videos for the Lincoln Town Car rear door panel removal and installation. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.